Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and duplicate an Etsy listing. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, now the first thing we can do is go ahead and log into our account if you have not already. If you do not already have an account, you can just go and create one. So after logging in, this is the home page we're going to be greeted by. From here, we can get started accessing the shop manager. Using the shop manager option right here in the upper right corner is going to go and enable us to go ahead and set up a store if you do not already have one. If you have one, you can just go ahead and get started accessing your store settings right here. And from here, now we can get started duplicating an Etsy listing. So the first thing we want to do is follow this article right here. To duplicate an Etsy listing, first you need to locate the listing that you want to copy. So you're going to go into the shop manager option, just like I explained to you, and open up the listings tab. So go into shop manager right here and click on listings once you have set up your store, and then you're going to click on the duplicate. So once you have located the listing you want to duplicate, click on the three dots button on the right side of the listing, and a drop down menu will appear and you'll see the duplicate options. You can click on it, add a new page, and this is going to open a new page which will have the same information as the original listing. And now you can edit it, change the title, change the price, whatever you want, or you can just publish two duplicate listings if this is something you want to do, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.